Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm starting a new series in my channel and I'm really excited about it. To give you a little background on what it's about 5 years ago for Christmas, my grandmother gave us this book. She gave one to my mother, she gave one to my aunt, she gave one to me. And basically in here are 80 or so recipes of family household recipes. And I'm really excited because there's a lot of recipes in here that I've never tried before, and there's a lot of recipes I've never tried to make. So we are gonna go and make every single one of these recipes. I'm gonna do one a week. And we're gonna talk about how easy they are to make, time-wise, if it's an easy bake or cook, for lack of a better term, and how good they taste. So something else is in here. You guys can see I've written down every single number. I'm going to pick one at random. I already did it, but I'll just show you the number because we can. So today we're doing page 42, which means we are making surface bars. I'm so excited. So I actually talked to my parents about this. Apparently I've had these. I don't ever remember having them, but we're going to try them and I'm super excited. Okay guys, the first thing I'm going to do is preheat my oven to 350 degrees. Next, on the stovetop, I'm going to mix butterscotch chips, brown sugar, and butter until it's this nice thin consistency. After that, I'm removing it from the heat and adding 1 egg. Yes guys, I know you saw it too. I dropped eggshells. It happens. But I got them out, don't worry. I'm going to do it until the yolk is all nice and broken and it's all nice and mixed in together. Next, we're adding our flour, and we're also going to be adding our baking soda. Next, we're adding the salt and the chocolate chips. The walnuts will be added next. And last but not least, the marshmallow. And I am going to stir that all together until it's all nice and mixed in. It's almost going to look like a brownie batter when you do that with marshmallows in it. Last but not least, we are adding the vanilla. And again, just stirring it up so it still looks like that nice brownie batter consistency. Got my 9x9 pan, spraying it with some cooking spray before I add the batter into it. Once the batter's all nice and smoothed out, I'm going to put it in my preheated oven for 20 to 30 minutes. Now, I did it for 25 and it was still not cooked quite enough, so I would suggest 30. Oh, we're all done. Once it's all done, you're going to let it cool for about 20 minutes to 30 minutes. Guys, they're done. So I've let them cool basically all day. And I'm really excited to try them. So here we go. Oh my god. Grade A. Oh. These ones are super moist. To be honest, I'm looking at the bottom. Gordon Ramsay would be mad. A little raw, but I don't really care. But no, they're really good. I don't know. I always thought this would be a really weird combo with butterscotch and marshmallow and chocolate and walnuts. But it so works. It so works. Okay, so don't forget, this is how we're rating it. How easy it was to cook, how long it took to cook, and how good it is. So first things first, how easy it is to cook. It was so easy. You basically, I think the hardest part was at the beginning when I had the melted butterscotch butter and the brown sugar. After that, you just mixed everything together and you put it in the oven. Loved it. 10 out of 10. Next thing was how long it took. Getting everything together and actually it baking, it really took about 40 minutes. But most of that time was in the oven. So I'm going to give that an 8 out of 10. And it was really, really good. Oops, dropped a piece. So I'm going to give it an 8 out of 10 as well. We're going to say an 8.5. So again, these are called surfer bars. You guys can look up your own recipe if you want to try it out at home. And let me know in the comments below what you think. Oh, so freaking good. Bye, guys.